Get the light on maybe. Aye, this thing. The reason I didn't show it grafting is because it didn't work. It's just too low a flow because of the pipe size. But, on the other hand, it looks a perfect flow for a miller table. Now I've still got the end on which will fit in to the pump. But because of the ball being the size of the end for the water, it cut down to more than half. I've decided to come up with another plan. Well, I've done it anyway. More washing pipe. The outlet pipe this time. Just tied a little bit of tape around the pump there. Shoved it on. It fits a dream. Tried it out before I made the spray bar. And there was loads of flow compared to the other one. And I just thought, I'll use a bit of metal. You know. I just roughly tied it on with a couple of bits of copper wire. Drilled some holes in. Like I say, I haven't yet tested it. I just bunged a bit of wood in there with a bit of tape around, because that's what I had. And this bit here, the pipe just disconnects out of there, so I can have it attached to the sluice as long as I want, and then just take the pipe out and, you know, saves faffing around with all this pipe and things. Take the pump off. Plus I've also extended the wire quite a bit with another piece of washing machine. And hang on, I'll put you on the tripod if it'll work. I'll show you what the crack is with this. Basically, I've just pared off a bit of wire and kept a bit at the end. Lift that up, wrap it round, and she's gone. I probably can't hear it because it's down here like. So I thought we'll try her out and see if we can get her grafting like. Ignore the mess. I've got all kinds of shit in here. Drums. You play the drums. Got them free. Cool, huh? Out of a skip. And you like me little airlocks. Stripped right down. To reduce weight. Bit of a beast like. And there's this thing as well. Don't know what kind of make this is, like it's Chinese. It's had some mods done to it like. Twin pod calipers on the front and the back. But it needs a bit of work done to the way. It needs a split link put in the chain. I've got it somewhere. It dropped down somewhere. No, I've got a shadow. 125 4-stroke. Haven't really had a shot in it yet because of the chain. But the lad who was bringing it round said it was wheeling in second gear when he wasn't really wanting it to. Do with a good exhaust on, like. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's just a pipe there. No baffles whatsoever. Aye, more washing machine parts. Make a good trommel, like, I reckon. Definitely. Some free wood. champion. Ah, switch this bloody light off, I think. Right. What I'm going to do is park you outside somewhere and see if she'll run, huh? Hang on.